From tractors and combines, excavators, wheel loaders, trucks, buses, firefighting and civil protection vehicles to powertrain solutions for on and off-road and marine, CNH Industrial designs, produces, and sells machines for work. With nearly 95% of the world's consumers living outside the U.S., international trade is important to CNH Industrial's bottom line, critical to America's economic growth, and benefits us all. And sometimes boosting trade requires bold actions by the president. That's why every president since FDR has received trade promotion authority. When properly crafted, TPA helps the U.S. negotiate trade agreements, leveling the playing field and creating new market opportunities abroad for U.S. businesses and more jobs in local communities here at home. This helps the U.S. negotiate from a position of strength, ensuring the best deal for U.S. workers and upholding our principles and values. This year, we are negotiating major trade agreements, including those with the EU and a group of 11 Pacific countries. These agreements would result in expanded exports to countries that collectively represent about 40% of the world's GDP, benefiting the U.S. by as much as $200 billion a year. The ability of the President to work with Congress to sign these trade pacts is critical for keeping and expanding American jobs. TPA would help achieve this goal, but it expired in 2007. Congress needs to stand behind American jobs and pass TPA this year. At CNH Industrial, we're committed to growing our sales abroad and growing more jobs here in the U.S. Exporting CNH Industrial means importing business and jobs for us and for our suppliers. Find out more and take action by exploring CNH Industrial's Digital Trade Toolbox.